My name is Storm. I'm the director of the Identity Clinic. In my opinion, one of the leading psychology practices specialising in the LGBTQIA plus community. The treatment that we provide is neuro and queer affirming. It is our bread and butter, and we know that because we're queer-led. So what we're doing is from our heart. When moving into new spaces such as the NDIS, it's really important to have an understanding of the people, the clients, and the environment you're working in. And that is exactly what is provided in these workshops. I think understanding that while you can run an incredible company, you also have to take a step back sometimes and ensure that if you're not filling your cup, you can't actually fill anyone else's. I work within a space of clinicians, and I feel although this would be a vital resource for people working within the NDIS space, ridiculously important to know exactly, how to, again, scale a business, understand the clients, and that stakeholder engagement. That next time round, my ops manager will be present with me and at least a clinician that works with us.